a boat trip again, this time to the Similan Islands. Okay, the Similan Islands are made up of 11 islands, which of 3 are closed due to like turtle preservation, I believe. And we're gonna visit 4 or 5 different spots there. So let's hop on a boat and see what this is about.
Island number 4, which is and we stopped here for some snorkeling, and I can see why, because the water here is beautiful. Well, anyway, let's switch into gear and dive in.
Wow, that was amazing. Finally got to see a shark. And now onto the same island for some quick lunch. We stopped on island number 4 again for some lunch. There's 2 beaches on island number 4. This one is the closest to the snorkeling spot, the Princess Beach. And yeah, this looks amazing. Let's get some lunch. That was a good lunch. And now I'm gonna go for a short swim in this beautiful water. That's hella nice. Well, that was a good swim, and I think this is one of the most blue waters I've ever seen. Most crystal clear water. Oh, it's about time to get back to the boat. So yeah, it's a shame I can't fly here. I'm not allowed. Again, stupid national parks. Oh, whatever, let's hop on the boat again. So we're at stop number 2 today, which is Similan Island, and this is Namtai Bay, and we're going to do some more snorkeling. If we're lucky, even we can see some turtles. Saw some amazing fish down there. And now we're on island 9, the last island, the big Similan Island, and up there should be a nice view. So let's get up there. Well, that was another amazing view, but a little bit crowded because there was 2 boats from Sea Star arriving at the same time, plus there was another boat, so there was a lot of people on top of there. But if you like some nice pictures, take a boat early, or I don't know, make sure you get here early, because some people just take pictures for like half an hour, and yeah, there's other people too. But amazing view, definitely worth it. I think we have some more time left to do a bit more snorkeling, so I heard there should maybe be a few turtles here again. Well, this is on the opposite side of the other island we just snorkeled at, so maybe chances here are a bit bigger. Let's see, let's find out. Oh well, there was no turtles. Didn't expect any, but anyway, this beach, another perfect beach and a perfect view up there. So yeah, this was the last island for today, and I think the Similan tour is worth doing, because I have never seen water this clear except for like from the tap or in a bottle, but I've never seen seawater this clear. This was a fun day, and it's time to head back home.